Hi everyone, so today just want to share my experiences of VR. Currently I wear glasses, and in order to support me seeing things in VR, I have my old glasses. However, it's made out of metal, which means it scrapes against the glass, the lens glass. So I've put a bit of sellotape on there to stop it, but it's not the best. So then I went to online to have a look at what we can get the alternative for people who wear glasses, and I went to the VR lens from Germany, and so I have this. So this came today. So basically got the prescription from these glasses, put all the details in the website, and a week later I got these. So what do you get? You get the VR lens cleaning tool. You get that, and then you get the right and the left. This one, can you see it? One's the right, one's the left. It says left, and it says have fun. And down here you've got right. And the idea being that you get your VR, and you're supposed to slot it in there. So that's the first thing I think is to clean the old lens, just because you don't want dirt in between. So let me do that, and I'll come back to you. So there you go, there are the instructions. Just did a little cleaning of the lens. Mine are quite, my prescription is quite strong, so it'd be useful if yours should be fine. You can see the thickness there. Now I just have to follow the instructions and slip them in somehow. This is a little difficult to do with one hand. So there we go. Hit a little click. Then that's what they look like in. So I'm going to test them to see if they work. They don't move, which is good. And also, you can adjust them with this and with the this eye spacing mechanism, and they work. There is another company who do something very similar, but rather than have individual lens like these two, they have one kind of pair of glasses which are connected in between. The problem there is you have to tell them in advance the spacing, which the reason I didn't go for that is because I don't even know what my spacing is. I mean, and I'm forever adjusting them left and right to get the correct feeling, so I couldn't just go and pick a number. Hence with this one you can adjust it and it should work no matter what value you use, and you're not stuck to the number you chose at the checkout. So I will check these, and I will let you know. Oh, I'm also getting an updated version, upgraded padding option. So this is the one that came default, which, to be honest, you play it for a long time and it does start becoming sweaty and quite hard against your forehead, especially when I'm wearing glasses. So hopefully removing this and adding the more, I think it's called the VR cover or VR case, so I'll replace that with this, and then I'll let you know how that feels. So yeah, there you go, that's the lenses. I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, bye. Okay, so I've done my hour worth of driving in a VR sim, Project Cars 2. There's a bit of hair. I don't like this particular little soft bit around the outside. Because of the hair, the strap. But anyway, so I've been playing sim racing, Predicast 2, for about an hour now, to see what these are. Firstly, from a comfort point of view, they are very, very comfortable compared to my old glasses. I just found my old glasses always rubbing against the sides of the case, or again, it felt like maybe they're rubbing against the lens. And actually, when I had a look at my lens, the VR lens, it was actually, there were a few signs of light scratches. So those are because of my old pair of glasses. So with this, that doesn't happen. Obviously, of course, and it's much easier to put it onto your head without having to faff around with your normal glasses to try and get everything lined up properly. Secondly, in terms of the quality, the plastic bit, that's quite good quality, injecting molding, I guess. However, the clarity of these compared to my glasses, I'd probably give this one to my glasses. Just that sharpness just is better on my glasses. If I had a choice between my glasses or this, I would go with this, simply because the comfort wise, much easier, and also, you know, the daily usage this is easier. However, from the clarity point of view, I would have to go with my own original glasses. But going forward, I will be using these. So yeah, I hope that all makes sense. Goodbye for now.